Good day everyone. Once again, this is June Carlo, your property consultant. So guys, if you are looking for a property here in Amparo, Caloocan, please continue to watch this video. And in front of me guys is our actual turnover unit with 3 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, 1 carport with living and dining area. So this is an ongoing development guys. Ongoing yung construction niya. And we have here your main gate with security guard 24/7, and that is your street. So this is residential area, no? And in front of me guys is again our actual unit na fully finished, and meron na rin siya kasamang aircon. So let's check our unit. Let's go. So this is your car parking space, and you have a storage at that side. And I just love the palette ng kulay, no? Very clean. And this is your storage. Ayan. Okay, so medyo magulo lang yung area kasi nga nagkaayos pa sila. And then, so this is your main door. So let's check it out. So upon entry guys, naka-keycard access pala ito. And also, pwede siyang thumb, yung registered thumb. Okay, so this is your living and dining area. Cute. Okay, sarap sa mata. So moving forward, you have here your service area. Na sobrang linis din, tingnan. Kasi nga white lang yung kulay at saka ano lang, cream. Ayan. Nice. Okay. And we have here your kitchen. So part ng turnover are the cabinetries guys, and also the fixtures ng kitchen. And also you have your provision para sa stove here. And also the refrigerator will be here. Okay, and this is your common toilet and bath. Sorry, this is powder room. Yeah, powder room. This is my ground floor. Okay, so let's go up. So bali, 2 toilet and bath and 1 powder room. Okay, so up sa second floor guys, you have 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. So let's check the bedroom 1. So this is your bedroom 1. And you have here your common toilet and bath. So this is part of the turnover na. Look at the shower. No? There's a shower. And also meron siyang enclosure. And also your fixtures ng toilet and bath kasama na din. Okay, and here we have our bedroom 2. Right? So meron siyang balcony, maliit. And of course, this is your master's bedroom. Yeah. So yung master's bedroom natin, meron siyang sariling toilet and bath. So let's check it out. Look at that. So siya, tignan. Sobrang linis. No? Okay, and this is your access to your balcony. Alright. Okay, so guys, if you have questions or clarifications, comment down below or message me through Viber, WhatsApp, or Telegram. Once again, this is June Carlo, your property consultant, helping you find your home.